Hi everyone, it's Steven Devos here with some frustrating news. The TRT and Hormone Optimization Facebook group, which I started back in 2018, has been shut down by Facebook. This group had over 17,000 active members sharing their experiences with low testosterone, discussing lab work and getting amazing support from our dedicated moderators. It was a real community lifeline. So why did this happen? Facebook claimed we violated their community standards on drugs. For years I've been worried this might happen. We received warnings about certain posts, and recently someone reported basic discussions as drug-related. The group got suspended, we appealed, but Facebook pulled the plug anyway. Here's the kicker. There are groups out there openly discussing anabolics and they're still up. It's hard to wrap your head around. This isn't new. Social media platforms have been cracking down on health-focused groups for years. Remember during COVID? Content about weight loss or vitamin D, stuff that actually helped prevent severe outcomes, was censored, while mRNA jabs were pushed hard. I won't dive too deep into that rabbit hole, or we might get flagged here on YouTube too. Let's just say there's a pattern. But don't worry, we're not done. We've had a backup group on MeWe for years, and it's still going strong. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. Go join us there. MeWe's interface isn't as slick as Facebook's, but so far, no censorship. It's a place where we can keep the conversation going freely. If you were part of the Facebook group, I'm so sorry this happened, but let's regroup and keep supporting each other. Drop a comment if you're joining us on MeWe, and hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated. Thanks for sticking with us, and see you in the new MeWe group.